How to change AT&T router to 2.4 GHz. First of all, if you are trying to connect smart devices like smart plugs, cameras, or older phones, you may need to switch your AT&T Wi-Fi to the 2.4 GHz band. Many devices do not work properly on 5 GHz, so changing or separating the network is very important. After that, the easiest way is by using the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. Open the app on your phone and log into your AT&T account. Then select your Wi-Fi network and go to Wi-Fi Settings or Advanced Settings. Here you will find options for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. You can separate both networks by giving them different names. Keep the 2.4 GHz network enabled and either disable the 5 GHz network or rename it so you can clearly choose the 2.4 GHz one. Next, you can also do this from the router settings page if you prefer. Open a browser on your computer or phone and type 192.168.1.254. Log in using the device access code written on the back of your router. Then go to Home Network and Wireless Settings. From there, enable the 2.4 GHz radio and turn off the 5 GHz radio if needed. Save the changes and your router will now broadcast the 2.4 GHz network. Finally, reconnect your device to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi name you selected. This should solve most connection issues with smart devices and improve compatibility. So, this is how to change AT&T router to 2.4 GHz. Like and subscribe if this helped, and thanks for watching.